US President Donald Trump fired the first shots in the trade battle against China. But can he win the war? The answer is no. For one, because China isn't one to back down. Beijing made it clear that it doesn't want a trade war, but that it doesn't fear one either. In fact, Xi Jinping retaliated with a tit-for-tat move. But while the two countries battle it out for economic supremacy, the biggest loser is the average American. This is how the trade war will burn a hole in consumers' pocket. With tariffs imposed on steel and aluminium, cars and trucks will become more expensive to manufacture, prompting their prices to soar. Televisions and other electronics will also see a surge in prices. Farmers and small-scale industries will also feel the pinch as industrial and agricultural machinery will get more expensive. American consumers will have to shell out more for their daily needs, consumer goods as well, for example, the dishwashers. Another consumer goods sector that will be impacted is the footwear industry. With sweeping tariffs on imported goods, shoe companies will punish working-class families with higher prices on shoes, which are already subject to heavy taxes. A major American company that will stand to lose is Apple. Apple depends on Chinese workers to make most of its American branded products. China is also seen as Apple's future biggest market. Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg, with the United States importing $70 billion worth cell phones and related parts, $46 billion worth computers and $32 billion worth computer parts and accessories. The pinch of this trade war will be felt for a long time. In addition to that, furniture worth $21 billion and shoes worth $11.5 billion are imported from China. Well, this trade war will impact Americans down to their feet in the near future.
We get that.
The tariffs could spell trouble for the agriculture sector in America. United States exported more than $10 billion worth of soybeans to China last year. China could strike back at the United States by finding a substitute for soybean imports, affecting farmers' incomes. But there is a silver lining to this trade war. Certain products could actually become cheaper with tariffs on pork, nuts or other food products. Chinese buyers could demand fewer goods. This would be in turn seen as a fall in prices of these products in the States. Well, Donald Trump intended to create more jobs by cutting down America's dependence on imports, but experts say a trade war like this is a double-edged sword. If America imposes taxes, the affected countries will retaliate, and the result, American exports will be hurt. So in the end, gains made from reduced imports won't matter much, and the trade deficit will be far from over.